Hey guys, it's been a long time since I bought something, so let's show you guys what I bought today. So today I bought from Sephora. As usual, I bought two things. This one is the Benefit Natural Eyeshadows. Here are the colors. I like this color, and this color, and this color. This is how the packaging looks. And inside there's this, that, and the tricks and tips. Just that. And here there's the colors. And here are the tips and tricks. There are like 3 types of these, and I picked this one because I really like the pink color in here. So yeah, it's more natural for Asian eyes, I think. So I picked this one out. This is $36 Canadian, and from the same brand, I picked this up. It's the Benefits Fake Up Concealer. It's a very hydrating one. It's a concealer stick. This is how the packaging looks. And inside is this here. It's just like lipstick. But it's not. It's a concealer. So, and I bought chocolate too. Yay. Chocolate. In here I bought 3 of these because I love their chocolate. Yummy. Bye bye.